Qapital is a smart saving and budgeting app designed to help reach financial goals effortlessly. So it uses customizable rules, as you can see right here. There are a lot of customizable that you can set. Um, it can automate savings in the background. You can also set goals, create spending targets, and even collaborate with others for shared goals. This interface is user friendly and the automation makes saving feel effortless. It's especially helpful for people who struggle of traditional budgeting methods. On the downside for this is that it does not it does come with a monthly subscription fee, and it's not ideal for those looking for in-depth investment tools. It is more focused on saving money and habits. So overall, Capital is great for turning everyday behavior into real savings without much offer.